How to fix Instagram Valentine's note not working. First, launch your Instagram. You will be directed to the home page. Now click on the message icon given at the top right corner. Now at the very top, you're gonna find the note section. Click on add note. Now you can type in anything, but make sure you drop a heart icon. Once you are done, you can click on sure. You'll get this kind of reaction, heart icons, and your note will turn in the pink. In case you are unable to use this effect, what you can do is first update your Instagram app. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is launch your Instagram, log out of your Instagram account. For that, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down, click on the option log out. Click on log out, provide your credentials and log in back. Next thing you want to do is completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app, click on remove app, click on delete app, then navigate to Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. Your Instagram Valentine's notes will work. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.